Alright guys, struggling to clean wheels. In this video, we're going to talk about how to clean wheels less than 5 minutes, what steps I take, the products I use. Let's get to the video. So the first thing I like to talk about is tools, what we're going to be using for the process of cleaning these wheels. One thing I like is this easy wheel brush right here, super easy to use. I feel like it's better than a flag tip green brush. I would highly recommend this tool. It's soft, it doesn't scratch any of the surfaces. It's more on the pricier side, it's around like $36 depending to $45 where you get it from. So this is the tool we're going to be using today. The next one I'm going to be using is going to be called a Detail Factory brush. I feel like it's perfect. It's not too stiff. It's just the right fit for cleaning wheels. So if you guys ever use this, drop it in the comments down below. I would highly recommend it. The next product we're going to be using is this Easy Wheel Brush. So this Easy Wheel Brush is just for the barrel of the wheels, just to get inside the nooks and crannies. I would highly recommend this one as well. The only thing that I would recommend is getting different tips for this right here, because it can pop off or it can just bust through, so it could scratch the wheel. So that's something you gotta keep in mind when you're using these kind of brushes. The tips run about $1 per tip, so not too expensive. And then these are Max Shine woolly mitts. These ones I like to get in the back of the wheels, the front of the wheel. I would highly recommend this. Super soft and easy to use. And the last tool we're going to be talking about is a Detail Factory brush. This one's a soft one. You could be using on the emblems or just the lug nuts. I like to use this for a dedicated lug nut cleaner. This one's pretty easy to use. And yeah, these are going to be the tools what we use. Now let's get to cleaning the wheels. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how I clean the wheels. But first I'm going to show you guys the products. So I'm going to be using today CleanTech. This is a perfect degreaser. I do it at 4:1. It's good for the tires. It strips out any Armor All or any water-based dressing. It has a lot of foam to it, and then it has a lot of lubricity. So this is why I use this product right here. It reminds me of Wise Guy, the old formula. So I highly recommend this product right here. And then also we're going to be using acid. So this one's a water spot remover, but it has 3 acids in one. So it's ultra clean, spot on. And this one I'm going to be using 4:1 as well. I feel like these are like the sweet spots on what I use. And then also for the bucket, I highly recommend using any soap. We're going to be using Clean by Penn, the shampoo. So shout out to Penn. And yeah, so right now I'm going to be just putting a little bit of soap for lubricity. And the first thing I'm going to do is hit this wheel. So as you see, there's a lot of dirt, a lot of rocks in this wheel. So the first thing I'm going to do is do a pre-rinse. So I'm going to be using this acid, be covering this wheel. Make sure you hit the whole wheel. Don't miss any part of the wheel. I like to soak it. Be generous with the product. Make sure to get the top. If you don't get the top, everything falls down and you're not going to be, the step's not going to be working. So make sure you get everything. Soak it. So I like to wait 10 seconds. As you see, the chemical is breaking down that brake dust. So now I'm going to rinse it down. I like to start from the outside. Now I'm going to start hitting the wheel. So I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I use an acid to knock around 85% of the brake dust. And then also it's like my pre-rinse, so I'm not going to be scratching these wheels. So after when I'm done with that, the next thing I'm going to be using today is going to be the CleanTech Knockout. So I'm going to be spraying it on the tire. Now I'm going to hit my wheel. The reason I like to hit my tire is because I like to have the product work on the, say, tire shine or whatever is on the tire. I like to have it break it down right away. So I'm making sure I cover in the whole wheel, and you can hit the wheel well as well. So the first step I'm going to be doing is reaching for my Easy Wheel Brush to hit the barrel. So I'm agitating it lightly. Let me know if you guys use this brush in the comments down below. I see a lot of people say they don't use it because it might scratch a wheel. I highly doubt that. If you have the right tools and the right chemicals, you could kind of avoid any of that. So I hit the barrel. The next thing I'm gonna do is grab my wheel Willy for the face of the brush. So I'm gonna be agitating the face of the wheel, lightly hitting it, making sure I have contact with everything. So you can also hit the fender. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna come through and grab my wheel Willy mitt. A lot of people do skip this. I'm gonna hit the back of the wheel. This makes your job a lot more easier if you have the right tools. So after when I'm done with that, I like to hit inside of the face of the wheel. Sometimes the brush can't reach it. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab my Detail Factory brush, hit the lug nuts, so I hit all the lug nuts. And now the last step I'm gonna be doing is grab my Detailing Factory brush and hit my tire. We're scrubbing off all that tire shine and whatever is on the surface. Now the last step is gonna rinse it down. So as you see, no brake dust on the rim, and the tires got, the silicone got removed from the tires. And the cool thing about using an Acetate, you don't really have to put any brushes on the wheel caliper. If you sprayed it, it usually does all the work for you. But this is the process I use for cleaning wheels. Drop it down in the comments below if you guys have different processes on how to clean wheels, and also what products do you guys recommend on cleaning these wheels. And if you guys have any critiques on how I cleaned them, drop it down in the comments below. All right guys, now we're doing our final touches. We're gonna be shining the tires and detail spraying it. So I just use Ceramic Detailer's Technician Choice. I like to just mist the wheel, making sure I hit everything, and also just get rid of any drip marks left behind. And we're just working the product in, it's cleaning it, and also giving it protection. So after, when I feel like that's done, I'm gonna get decked out, do it 1-to-1, spray it on my brush a couple times, and start working this product in. Let me know if you guys ever use this tire shine before. I would highly recommend it. Water-based dressing, you don't deal with a lot of gunk like other dressings. There's something I would never change is the tire shine, man. Decked Out is actually, I feel like, the best tire shine. But this is the process on how we do our final touches on the wheel. All right guys, now we wrap up the video on how to clean wheels less than 5 minutes. Make sure to like and subscribe, stay tuned for more content. I hope you guys gained some knowledge from this video. See you guys on the next one.